In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts on Google Drive. We'll walk through getting to your contacts from Drive and bringing in a list using a CSV file, so your address book is organized and ready to use across your Google services. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want the contacts to live. In the top right corner of the page, look for the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that to open the panel of Google Apps. From there, choose Drive. This takes you into Google Drive, which provides a quick way to reach other Google tools. On the right-hand sidebar in Drive, you'll see shortcuts to Google's productivity apps. Click the Contacts icon. To keep your workflow tidy, open it in a new tab, so Drive stays available in the background. That way you can switch back if you need to reference files while you import. Inside Google Contacts, look to the left side panel and click Import. This is where you'll bring in a list of people all at once. You'll be prompted to select a file. Click Select File and choose the CSV file stored on your computer. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a simple spreadsheet format that Google Contacts can read. Many email services and CRMs can export contacts to CSV, making this a reliable way to move your address book. Before you confirm, it helps to ensure your CSV is clean and well labeled. Typical column headers include first name, last name, email, phone, and company. Consistent headers and one contact per row reduce errors. Make sure there aren't extra header rows or merged cells, and that phone numbers and emails are in the right columns. Once you've selected your CSV, click Import. Google Contacts will process the file and add the entries to your account. If it detects possible duplicates, it can help you merge them later so you don't end up with multiple versions of the same person. After the import finishes, you'll see the new contacts appear, often under a label that reflects the import action, which makes them easy to review as a group. Take a moment to scan a few entries to confirm names, emails, and phone numbers look correct. If something's off, adjust your CSV and re-import, or edit individual entries directly in Contacts. That's it. You've accessed Google Contacts through Drive and imported your list using a CSV file, keeping your information organized and ready to use across Gmail, Calendar, and your devices.